Well. Welcome to Echols Virtual Academy. Konnichiwa, Kyodai, Toshimai. My brothers and sisters. So one of my students asked me, they said, Mr. Echols, how do you do order of operations? What is PEMDAS? So let's get to it. So when we look at PEMDAS, that's please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now you would think, okay, what are we talking about Mr. Echols' Aunt Sally for? Well, we're not talking about my Aunt Sally. I don't have an Aunt Sally, but what we're doing is we're remembering PEMDAS because it's not really please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Whew. Please excuse my handwriting. So that's what helps us when we're solving order of operations problems. But one thing that we don't get taught all the time is how multiplication and division, multiplication and division and addition and subtraction go from left to right. So it depends on the order that those are in. So let's look at a sample problem. We've got 7 squared times 4 plus 5 minus 2 plus 7. So first, we've got to look at PEMDAS to know what we need to do first. The first thing we see is parentheses. So when we look, we do have our 4 plus 5 in parentheses. So I like to write all my work. That's what you all should do, is to show all your work. So always have a piece of paper or an iPad or something with you. So 4 plus 5 is in our parentheses. So 4 plus 5 gives us 9. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rewrite the whole problem so I can keep up where I am and I can know what I'm doing. So we rewrite our 7 squared times 9 minus 2 plus 7. So now what do we do next? Well, we see exponents next. This 2 is an exponent, that's 7 squared. So 7 squared is 7 times 7, which gives us 49. So we rewrite our 49 then down here. 49, and then rewrite the problem again, times 9 minus 2 plus 7. Now we look next and see multiplication. We've got multiplication because we've got 49 times 9. So 49 times 9 is pretty big, so we'll go over to the side and we'll do that. 49 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. We put the 1 down, carry the 8. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 8 is 44. So 49 times 9 is 441. 441 minus 2 plus 7. We keep rewriting it. And now we remember it says addition next, but addition and subtraction, it matters left to right. Remember that, left to right. So first we do 441 minus 2. 441 minus 2. You gotta borrow. So you turn that 4 into a 3. It's 1 into a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus nothing, 3. 4 minus nothing, 4. So we've got 439. It should be 439 plus 7. So actually, we go back. This 1 turns into an 11. Because you got to remember, see, and this is what's so funny when you get into advanced math. Sometimes you forget your early math. This 1 doesn't turn into a 10. It turns into an 11 because you borrowed a 10 from your 4. So you got to remember the basics. Now all that's left is 439 plus 7. 439 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. Put the 6 down. Carry your 1. 3 plus nothing is 3, but we've got to add our 1, so that's 4. And then 4 plus nothing is 4. So your final answer is 446. And just like that, hey, we got it.
Answer? Where'd you find this? Soka. Anata wa subarashi desu ne.
So, now that you know order of operations, it's the next problem that Mr. Echols is going to do. Will I go 4th grade, 5th grade, maybe go back to kindergarten? Who knows? Like, comment, subscribe for more, and you can donate to my Patreon if you want to support the Echols Virtual Academy.